Good morning, everybody. It's basically good afternoon. It's my lunch break, and uh, something happened sooner than we thought. So basically, we had an appointment scheduled for tomorrow at Salon Labrador for the haircut. But Tanya happened to get that appointment done today, so I am headed right there because she is already there, and I'm headed right there right now with her breakfast because it was a very last minute thing. It was a very last minute thing, and we didn't anticipated it to be happening today. So I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted because I'm driving right now. so so I'm headed. These are the shakes right here, our breakfast shakes. So I'm headed with these shakes to her right now. It's like 5 minutes away. So I told her okay, and she wanted her vlog to be done. So that's why I have to give her this camera as well. And so let's see what she is doing and how she do her makeover today. Let's go find it out. Okay, so I'm here with her breakfast, and it's a cute little place over here. See, it's gonna be harder for me. So this is the salon. Thank you. So,
So hungry. Yeah. Which flavor is it?
banana cabbage. I guess she's gonna be drinking her shake, and let's talk to you guys later. Okay, let's meet your stylist. Here she is. We are here for the first time, and so far it all looks amazing. Is that a new hairstyle? I guess we are into another process.
Hey guys, so I did my hair. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know whether you can see the color, but I'm gonna go out in the sun and show it to you. I love it. Look at this guy. Okay guys, so we are done with our color, and he is also done. Look at his color. I love it.
They're much shorter. They're like she took 3 inches off,
Yeah.
and then we got a little gift.
Yeah, they were so sweet.
The stuff is very nice. If you live in the area and you want to try a salon, we would
highly recommend
it.
this.
She did a great job on both of us. They gave a little gift to us. They were very welcoming, very thoughtful in all aspects, like getting your coffee, getting your water, the simplest things. So that was very nice. Hospitality was very good, and everybody is very nice, talking, chatting. So it's easy to kill time, especially when you have a bunch of hair, color in your hair, and you have to sit for an hour.
It took me like 3 hours, and it took him also like 3 hours. So we 6 hours we were there, and it was like, oh my god.
Yeah. And now we are
so hungry.
We just got out. We haven't eaten pretty much all day, so we are just gonna go get some salad and then head back home.
So let's go get something to eat. There's a salad bar over here called Freshie, and I really want to try it because it sounds very fresh and I love fresh salad. So we are gonna go there. So there is a mini, what is this called, baby? Mini golf course.
Yeah, they have a pretty nice mini golf.
This is like a downtown of Abacoa.
So let's figure it out. How is this place? Okay, so we are here at Freshies and we don't know what we are gonna go get. They have a pretty nice setup. I like it. They have a separate kids menu, it seems. So we're gonna find out what we are gonna eat. Okay, so we are out and she got her salad.
I got my cob chicken salad. I love this salad.
So we got the salad. The good thing about getting salads like this is that when you go to a restaurant, they put so much of dressing and so much of everything into the salad that a salad itself is 1400 calories, which you wouldn't want, you know. And it gives you a false impression that you are eating healthy.
Yeah, but you're not. So
when you make salad by your own and you get these salads, the good thing is that it's only 410 calories. So
did you get me?
say hi. So the good thing about this salad is that it's only 410 calories because it has a calculated amount. It has all greens and everything and the protein, and it only have like a tiny bit of dressing. The dressing you can control, so it's on the side, so you can actually put it on. So that's a good thing. So always keep in mind, even if you're going to a restaurant and if you want to really eat healthy, you can just always ask for the dressing on the side and always eliminate things which increases unnecessary calories in your salad. So we are gonna go head back home and enjoy our salad.
Marvel, can we come in? Is it your bathing time? Is it your bathing time? Are you taking a bath? He's such a good boy.
Such a good boy.
Yes. You having fun?